going to Keystone Heights to a little Irish restaurant like, and the temperature today is 51 degrees right now.
Today, this is our route. To go ahead and get to our meeting spot in Gainesville, we left the crossing down here, traveled this familiar road at 441, and we met here at Subway and Home Depot. From here, we went on up 121 and, I don't know, what is it, 231, and took these different roads, and eventually around here, 318, I think, and just had a nice little country ride. Came on over here to McHenry Sports Pub, and I'll tell you what, they do pretty good with serving a big group, and man, their hamburgers are great. I'll mention a little more about that later. Then we left. A lot of people split up here. Some left from here, but we split up here, went down 301, and our next goal was to hit 318 to head right back to the crossing. Our total miles today was around 128, so it wasn't a super big ride.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Doing
Who's here?
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Hey.
How you doing?
My whole
Boo-boo disguised as a ninja. Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
I am a ninja. We are a little bit Williston.
Always great meeting up with our buddies, and this is we got a pretty good sized group here. And like always tell you to go to their website wherever we're going to eat, check the menu out, check when they're open, and this is their website right here. I can't believe I didn't take a picture of my hamburger. I'm sure somebody took some pictures of the food, but the hamburgers were big, they were good. I asked for medium rare, and you know what? I got medium rare, and I did get the 3/4 pounder, and it was the McHenry hamburger. Check it out. This is always a neat place to come to, and of course we got quite a few buddies with us today. And like I said, that McHenry hamburger, man, that was good. There's a good group picture of all of us before we ended up feasting on our meals. And then I walked outside a little, get a little bit more of what the place looks like from outside, and we had quite a few bikes today. For this, I need to get in before somebody eats one or two of my french fries.
Everybody, good seeing you, Boo Boo.
So we're going to go left on 219A, which is off of 26 Melrose. I like it. I'm going to go up 100.
Then it was time for us all to head back home. Another day in the books and another great meal. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's motorcycle trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?